Well,
we're back.
We're back. And
so, yeah, hold on. Hey,
we're back.
Now we're back. Okay, so, like cheese. Oh, did it get third? Having some issues with the transmission.
Yeah, well, we got a brand new roof rack.
The roof rack's great. No, we got it used.
However, the transmission's a little pissed off right now.
It's not happy.
No.
Not happy.
I have neglected her previously really bad on a road trip to Arizona and back. She was kicking and bucking, and I filled up her fluid and called her good again. And now I think I lost third gear entirely.
Bad.
I think it's completely gone.
So,
yeah, she was biting every once in a while. She would come and go, but I think she's gone now.
We'll see.
She's done moving out.
No, we'll see. Maybe we'll put some more fluid in it.
No, she doesn't like it. She's still in second.
Second.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby girl. It's okay. Oh, yes! It bit. We're good. We have third gear again. All right.
It's fine. It's totally good.
It knocked out on us on the freeway. So we're taking
we're taking side roads. Yeah, totally.
Oh my God. Oh, not only is it the beginning of the Doozie, it's also the end of that transmission.
No, it's okay.
It's just a new story.
It's okay. We're gonna have to stick shift swap it. I think stick shift swap.
That was in the plans.
Yeah, stick shift swap.
I want to give a big shout out.
I'm doing it. I want to give a big shout out to Andy over at McLaren Automotive Service in Thousand Oaks, letting us use the shop. It's way cool. That's fine. Totally good. Ratchet straps, done and done.
So, out with the old and in with the new.
What are you gonna do with that? Make noise?
Well, this is going a lot better than I thought. Actually has some holes in there that are pre-drilled, and it's actually going into the body anyways. So that's going to help utilizing the same screws that we took out to pull the crossbars off already. So we're going to put these things right over it.
These things we're gonna,
and the rack is wide enough where it's still going to bite onto it. So we're actually totally clear.
This is perfect.
And I'm gonna just ignore.
Almost like we knew what we were doing. We totally didn't. It looks like we knew what we were doing, but we totally didn't. Totally didn't.
Nope. And we're gonna ignore just all that.
No, it's good. It's good.
Fill it with some silicone.
It's good.
Or something. I don't know. I think the water would probably go through the maybe past the.
No, it'll just flow right out back.
I don't know. Like if some water got down into there.
No, it's gonna go right. It's gonna soak the headliner. Yeah, that's something that we have to address.
I'll drip some silicone down in there.
No, we're gonna completely pack it full of goo. Pack it.
Some dum-dum.
Pack it full of goo.
We're getting there.
We're getting there.
We got the feet on and the rails, our custom made rails. And now we're gonna do the legs on the rack.
Yep. We're
Just about done.
we're getting there.
And we're doing okay on time. That's always a factor.
It's actually not too bad. It's kind of late, but Got the rack. It's pretty good.
That thing's freaking sturdy. We were both just standing up here.
It held us up.
It's about 300 plus pounds between the both of us.
More than that.
300 plus pounds between the both of us.
Well, I guess if you said plus, it could be anything, right?
300 plus. I'll show you a couple more pictures and shots in the daylight. It's pretty dark. But
that was a late night.
We have
It's not bad.
A bitchin' LED up there.
It's not
helping us
bad.
out.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I mean it's only like 9 o'clock, so
It's not bad. We're doing good.
We're doing great. So, well, that's that. You guys can stick around and watch the rest of some of the build that we have planned for this thing. I've got some friend work I gotta do. I got a gnarly shimmy. those tie rods hate me. And I wanna thank everyone for watching our previous videos. If you haven't seen any of them, feel free to watch them. They're right there. I'll put those up for you guys. If you wanna subscribe, I'll put that right there. And we'll stick around.